You just type one sentence and boom, you get a whole AI app. No code, no setup, nothing hard. I'm going to build one live right in front of you in like 2 minutes. This is from Google Labs, and it just opened up to 15 more countries. I'm talking apps that make thumbnails, scripts, titles, whatever you want, and you can share it with anyone. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Joseph Carter. Joseph reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So I found this tool called Opal, and it changed how I think about building stuff. Like, you know how most AI tools, you got to sit there and type the same prompt over and over? That's done. Opal takes one sentence from you and turns it into a whole workflow. A mini app that runs, that you can share, that anyone can use. And I'm not talking about some janky prototype. I'm talking about real working apps that call Google's best AI models. Gemini, Imagen, the whole stack, and you build it in seconds. Let me show you what I mean, because this sounds too good to be true, but I promise you it's real. So here's what Opal actually is. It's a tool from Google Labs. No code required. You describe what you want in plain English, and it builds you a visual workflow. Each step is a box. You can edit any box. You can run the whole thing or just one step. And when it's done, you have a working AI app you can save and share with anyone. Now, they just updated it. Big update. They expanded to 15 more countries. They added advanced debugging so you can see exactly where something breaks. They made it faster with parallel runs so multiple steps happen at once. And the coolest part? You can remix anyone's Opal with one click. Someone built something cool? You just copy it and tweak it. Done. Why does this matter? Because most people don't know how to code. And even if you do, building an AI app takes time. You got to set up APIs. You got to write code. You got to test it. Opal does all that in like 30 seconds. You go from idea to working app faster than you can order coffee. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking this is for nerds or techies or whatever. Nope. This is for creators, business owners, anyone who has an idea and wants to test it right now. No waiting, no learning Python, just type and go. And all right, let me build one live so you can see this in action. I'm going to make a YouTube video toolkit, something that helps you make titles, hooks, scripts, thumbnails, all of it. And I'm going to do it right now while you watch. So I open Opal, clean interface, one box that says describe what you want. That's it. No menus, no settings, just one box. I'm going to paste this prompt and you're going to watch it build the app. Here's what I'm pasting. Build a mini app called YouTube Video Toolkit. Flow. Ask the user what's the video topic, target audience, and tone. Generate an SEO-optimized video title. Generate 3 high-retention hooks. Create a 6-point outline, and then a 90 to 120-second spoken script. Output 3 thumbnail text ideas and 3 prompts for images. Produce a YouTube description with 5 hashtags and 10 SEO tags. Make each step editable and labeled. I hit enter. Watch this. Opal is reading my prompt. It's thinking, and now it's building the workflow. Look at this. Each step is a box. Step 1, ask for user input. Step 2, generate title. Step 3, generate hooks. Step 4, outline and script. Step 5, thumbnail ideas. Step 6, description and tags. It just built a whole app in like 15 seconds. Now I'm going to run it. I click run. It asks me for the topic. I type in how to grow on YouTube, target audience, new creators, tone, casual, hit submit. Watch the boxes light up. Each step is running, calling the AI, processing, and boom, done. Look at the output. It gave me a title, 10 proven ways to grow your YouTube channel fast in 2025. Not bad. 3 hooks. Hook 1, most creators waste months on the wrong strategy. Hook 2, I grew from 0 to 10K subs using these exact steps. Hook 3, this one trick doubles your views and no one talks about it. These are solid. Script. It wrote me a full 90-second script with an intro, body, and call to action. Thumbnail ideas, bold text that says, grow fast, close-up of a surprised face, high contrast, and it gave me 3 full image prompts I can use in any AI tool. YouTube description. Full paragraph with 5 hashtags and 10 SEO tags, all done in like 30 seconds. But here's where it gets wild. I can edit any step. Let's say I don't like the first hook. Too generic. I click on the hook step. I type in the console, make the top hook more curiosity-driven and under 10 words. I hit run. On just that step, it reruns. New hook. You're doing YouTube wrong, and here's why. Way better. I didn't rebuild the app. I just tweaked one step. And this is the power of Opal. Most AI tools, you type a prompt, you get an answer, and if you don't like it, you got to start over. With Opal, every step is separate. You can change one thing, run just that part, and keep everything else. It's like editing a video. You don't refilm the whole thing, you just cut the one scene. Now let me show you debugging because this is new and it's a game changer. Let's say something breaks, maybe the image model fails. Opal has a debug console now, advanced debugging. You can see exactly which step errored out. You can see the full log. You can see what the AI returned, and you can fix it right there. For example, sometimes the Gemini image model has issues. Opal tells you right in the UI, switch to Imagen 4. So you click the image step. You change the model from Gemini to Imagen 4. You run it again. Boom, fixed. No guessing, no frustration, just clear feedback and a fast fix. And parallel runs. This matters. Old version ran steps one by one. New version runs steps at the same time if they don't depend on each other. So the title, hooks, and outline all generate at once. Cuts the time in half. You see results faster. You can iterate faster. The whole flow feels snappier. All right, so that's the build. But what can you actually use this for? Let me give you some ideas because this tool is way bigger than just YouTube stuff. You could build a content repurposer, takes a blog post and turns it into tweets, LinkedIn posts, Instagram captions all at once. One input, 5 outputs, done. You could build a meeting summarizer, paste a transcript, and it pulls out key points, action items, and follow-ups. No more rereading notes. You could build a script translator, takes your English script and spits out Spanish, French, Urdu, whatever you need. I tested this. I told it to translate my script to Urdu and keep it casual. Worked perfectly. You could build an email writer, takes a topic and tone and writes 5 versions of the same email so you can pick the best one. Way faster than writing it yourself. And here's the thing. All of these are apps you can share. You build it once, you send the link to your team, they use it, they don't need Opal access, they don't need anything, they just click and go. That's collaboration without friction. Now let's talk limits because nothing's perfect. First, Opal runs on Google's models. Gemini family, Imagen. If those models go down or get slow, Opal gets slow. It's not Opal's fault, but it happens. Keep that in mind. Second, image generation can be hit or miss. Some models work great, some time out. Opal tells you when this happens and suggests switching to Imagen 4. Usually fixes it. But just know it's not always instant. Third, this is a Google Labs project. That means it's experimental, could change, could get shut down, could get better. We don't know, so use it while it's here and build cool stuff now. And lastly, Opal is best for prototypes and demos. If you need a production-level app with custom servers and databases, you'll still need real code. But for testing ideas and building internal tools, Opal is perfect. So here's what you do next. Go to Opal. Link in the description. Click around the gallery. You'll see a bunch of pre-built templates, marketing tools, coding helpers, creative workflows. Pick one, click remix. Now it's yours. Change the steps, run it, see what happens. Then build your own. Start simple. Don't try to build something huge. Build one thing that solves one problem. Maybe it's a title generator for your videos. Maybe it's a social post writer. Doesn't matter. Just build it, run it. Share it with someone, get feedback, tweak it. That's how you learn. That's the move. Build something cool, share it, let people use it, watch what happens. All right, that's Opal. No code, no limits, just ideas turning into apps in seconds. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you want more AI tool breakdowns, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.